Want to create professional AI-generated music without being a music producer? In this video, I'll show you how to use Sondo AI step by step from creating your first song to turning your ideas into something you can actually use. Whether you're a beginner, freelancer, business owner, agency, startup, or content creator, this Sondo AI tutorial is for you. Step 1. Get started first. Open Sondo AI and sign in or create your account. Once you're inside, look for the option to create a new track or generate music. This is where the fun starts. Step 2. Write your prompt. The most important part is your prompt. Don't just write, make a song. Be specific. For example, create an upbeat motivational background track for a startup advertisement, modern, energetic, and professional. You can describe the mood, genre, instruments, energy, purpose, and style you want. The better your idea, the easier it is to get useful results. Step 3. Generate your music. Now hit generate and let Sondo AI do the heavy lifting. Depending on the available options, you may be able to experiment with different versions, adjust your prompt, and generate something closer to what you imagined. Don't settle for the first result. Try different prompts and compare the outputs. Step 4. Make it better. Here's a simple trick. Instead of completely changing your idea, improve your prompt. For example, add less dramatic, more cinematic, stronger beat, minimal background, or perfect for a 30-second commercial. Small changes can make a huge difference. Who can use it? For freelancers, it can help create music for client videos. For businesses and startups, it can add original audio to ads, presentations, and social media content. And for agencies, it can speed up the creative process when you need multiple concepts quickly. Important. Before using generated music commercially, always check Sondo AI's current licensing and usage terms for your specific plan and use case. And that's the basic Sondo AI full tutorial. The key is simple. Start with a clear prompt, generate multiple versions, refine your idea, and choose the track that fits your project. If this tutorial helped, subscribe for more AI tools, AI tutorials, productivity hacks, and business automation tips. And comment Sondo if you want a more advanced Sondo AI tutorial next.